Do you want to learn how to invest, particularly if you're a novice investor? Here are a few ideas. People come up to me on the street all the time and ask me about these. It's because they see me in these videos. The first thing is you want to get yourself some information. I would suggest you subscribe to the Wall Street Journal and watch Jim Cramer on CNBC in the evening. People think he's nuts, but guess what? He's made millions of dollars in the stock market, and he's a very good teacher. The next thing is get yourself a brokerage account. I would suggest a place like Schwab. They don't charge you for trades, which means you're basically investing for free. The next thing is say, do I want to have risky stocks, or do I want to have stocks that are very, very safe? Same is true with bonds. If you want really risky stocks, buy things like Amazon. It's a great company, but it's been in trouble recently, so its stock has gone up and down and up and down. Same thing is true of Alphabet, which owns Google. If you want some safe stocks, look at stuff like Verizon and IBM. They've got big dividends, but they rarely go up and down. They're considered safe stocks, and they also pay out big dividends. So when you start to invest, look at two things. The first one is, where do I get information? The second one is, how do I want to invest? You put those things together, get yourself a brokerage account, and bingo, you're an investor.